Welcome to Pure Aqua for the most advanced reverse osmosis, water treatment, and purification systems worldwide.
Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, 2018, and we are in the final process of getting this shipment ready, which is a duplex filtration system that's going to go to New York. We can have the questions to the project engineer who managed this project and did the process design for this project. Robert, just can you tell us a little bit about this project, like flow rate, the objective of this project, what is it going? Did we achieve the requirement with the customer and the consultant?
This is a multimedia filter going to New York. It's been bought by a chemical manufacturer for wastewater treatment. They hired a consultant that did a pilot study, and it gave good results, and so that's what encouraged them to go along with the custom project. It has 3 or 4 stainless steel tanks, ASME code certified, pneumatic actuators with position limit stop feedback, and now Bradley PLC to interface with their plant management system.
Okay. What's the flow rate of the system?
It's 150 GPM service flow rate.
And I assume this is a duplex operation, isn't it? So both would be running at the same time?
Correct. Both run at the same time, and they backwash one at a time.
Okay. Now, you mentioned like a little bit about the PLC. It's Allen Bradley. So just can you tell me a little bit about the options that we included in the PLC? So what can the customer read? What can they monitor?
The customer has instrumentation for differential pressure across each filter tank, and
that's how the backwash is initiated, isn't it?
Correct. They get an alert at their central command center, and they could initiate backwash remotely.
The backwash. Okay. So how about, like, does it have any other? I see some devices here. Can you tell me a little bit about them? Those are the DP.
Yes, these are the DP. They have a local indicator as well as on the PLC HMI. And they come with a 3-way valve for calibration.
Okay, and I see some connection here for the Ethernet connection and like for an external power outlet.
Right, there's very easy serviceability for any operator that would need to make any alterations to the system.
Okay, thank you, Robert. As you mentioned, this is going to leave today. This system is 150 gallons per minute for the mercury reduction, and it's going to go to New York this afternoon. Thank you.